This is the wave and chevron stitch. We will now start with the yellow thread. Loop your thread through your little finger here and around this finger and hold on. This is for tension. Okay, loop it twice to start. Pull and make 25 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 25. Okay. Skip one chain and make 19 single crochets across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and so that's your first row. Chain 1, turn it around. Now skip this, skip the first SC single crochet and do a half double crochet on the second one. That's 1, 2. It's a double crochet, half double crochet. The next single crochet you make a double crochet, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. On the next single crochet you make 3 triple crochets, so you want that twice, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 2 more of these and the same single crochet. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now make a double crochet in the next single crochet here. Make a half double crochet in the next single crochet. Then make a single crochet in the next one. And that is your first wave. Okay, make 2 more of these, half double crochet. Double crochet, three triple crochets, a double crochet, half double, a single. Another wave. Okay. Half double, double, 3 triples, a double, a half double, and a single crochet. Okay, you gotta make sure you got there. All right, that's your first wave. Now, I'm going to cut this. Right, now we're going to grab the second color. Okay, put it here. Tie it. I always do a double knot. Okay, what you do is make one chain and you go single crochet across the top of the wave. When you get to the top here, you put 3 single crochets in one. Okay, you go down, and when you get to this junction here, you make a cluster of 3. 1, 2. You pull it. You go across. 1, 2. Then you make 3 of these single crochet here and 1 stitch here. You go down 2, then you make the cluster again. Pull, go up 1, 2, 3 single crochets here. 1, 2, and you make half a cluster. That's 1 and 2. Chain 1. Turn it around. One, 2, 1, 2, another 3 here.